Today we're going to make this quick and easy do-it-yourself beaded rainbow bracelet craft.
For today's craft, all you need is a pipe cleaner, any color will do, and a variety of beads in different colors. Because I want my bracelet today to be looking like a rainbow, that is what I have gathered. So I've got red, kind of this orangey color, yellow, green, blue, and a purple. I have grabbed 3 of each color, but you could actually do more, or you could fewer. You could make fewer. You could also just do red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then purple, and then do it again. Red, orange, yellow, green. It's whatever you would like. I want mine to look like this rainbow all the way across, so that's what I'm going to do. Now you will see, if I measure that up, it's not going to fill the entire pipe cleaner, and I'm okay with that. I want some left over. You could try to fill up more of the pipe cleaner. Just make sure you leave a little bit at the end so that you can tie it off. And remember, here's my last one. I'll link this below in case you want to make a green one. But you want to make sure when you're done, here we go, sorry, that you have enough pipe cleaner where your pipe cleaner is not going to fall off your wrist like this. So if you go too far at the end, and these are all beads, and then you go to put your bracelet on and it's too big, that's also not going to work. So just kind of be mindful. Maybe even just go now and check to see the size. If I go here, I can kind of wiggle it off and that's perfect. So I don't want my beads to go any further than these 2 spots. So go ahead, grab whatever bead colors you want, grab whatever color you would like to use for your pipe cleaner, and then you're going to put the beads in the order that you would like them, and you're going to put them right on top of the pipe cleaner. Okay, once you have your beads on, then you are going to size. I'm just going to take this guy off here. Here we go. You're going to size it. So to size it, take your 2 ends, put them together, put your hand through, move your fingers up to where you think it's going to work, and then see if you can wiggle it off. You don't want it too loose, you don't want it too tight. I want to be able to wiggle it on. You could see, I do have room for more. I could add more beads, but you don't have to. I think that's a good size for me. So once I have that size, I'm going to go to that spot, and I'm gonna twist and twist and twist. Twist a bunch of times just to make sure it's secure. Now you have all this extra, you could cut it off. I do find cutting it is a bit trickier because those scissors don't always want to go through that metal. So you can also just take it and wind it around. And then if you have enough beads, just stick it through that bead, and the other side as well. And there we go. We have our beautiful rainbow bracelet. If you find you need to add more beads, it's easy just to undo it, add more, or if you want fewer, that's also okay. And then there you have an awesome rainbow bracelet. And then here's our other green. You can make them in multiple colors. I am all ready to go. If you like this craft, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.